How to use Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use Facebook Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to use Facebook Messenger, you need to have the Facebook application installed and logged in, and the same account will be logged in on Messenger automatically. Now when we open Messenger, first of all, aside from chatting, there are many things we can do. We can add a note, we can upload stories, we can view other people's stories, we can view the online status of other people, we can go to a certain chat, we can see our call history, and here is our chat. So if you want to talk to someone, of course you can just go ahead and then type in whatever else you want over here, and then you can simply send them a message or whatever else you want to send it. You can also video call or audio call to that person, but mind you, they need to be friends. If you come to the three lines option here, you can go to other message requests and spam folders, where you'll be able to see all the spam messages that you could have received on Messenger. And this way you will be able to use Facebook Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.